In this video, I will show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11. This is a step-by-step process, but before this, subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. So let's get started. The step 1 is power and sleep setting. To do this, open control panel and in control panel search for power and sleep setting. And then open it and in the left corner click on create a new power plan and create a high performance and also name it high performance. And then set it. This is a new power plan. Step 2 is to disable startup programs. To do this, open Task Manager and in the Task Manager open Startup Programs. There will be lot of programs enabled. Disable them all. Third step is Event Viewer. To do this, type Event Viewer in the search bar and open it. In the event viewer, on the left side, open Windows Log and in Windows Log, open Application. On the right side, click on Filter Current Log. Set it to Critical Error Environment. Now open the system and do the same type of stuff here. The fourth step is to uninstall unnecessary programs. To do this, open Control Panel and click on Unnecessary Program and uninstall every program that you don't need by clicking on it and uninstall it. The last step is Services. To do this, type Services. In the Services, search for Background Intelligence Transfer Service. Open its properties. Disable it from there. If you are a Windows 10 user, then I have made the similar video on how to fix high CPU usage. Link is in description. This was all. Hope it will help. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.